What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa and I haven't done one of these in so long, a hairstyle tutorial video on YouTube, which is funny because I know you guys love them. My hair has been in this awkward stage, so I didn't really have anything to do with it. It's kind of just really long. But I will say, as soon as I started growing out my hair and it got to a certain length, I started receiving so many messages about, Alex, you should do the EREN YEAGER hairstyle. EREN YEAGER hairstyle tutorial. EREN YEAGER, please. And I'm like, who the hell is EREN YEAGER? No offense, I had no idea who he was. And he's an anime character from Attack on Titan. Now, I haven't watched the anime, but you guys are making me want to watch it. Let me know in the comment section down below if I should watch it or not, because I kind of want to watch it now. I've been watching a different anime though. Yu Yu Hakusho. I'm not sure if you guys are about that, but that's from way back in the day, from my time. Now, what I'm gonna do today is show you how to achieve the EREN YEAGER hairstyle. So first of all, let's talk about length. My hair is about 10 inches over here, probably 6 inches in the back, so you can see that it's long. It's gonna be a little bit longer than his hairstyle in the back. I think his is probably cut like right about there. And what I did before this, I just blow dried my hair. So very easy. Nothing else going on. Now, all you're gonna need is literally a hair band like this. If your hair is not long enough, you can use hair clips. These will definitely help maintain your hair. Make sure that it's pulled back. Without further ado, let me show you how to get the EREN YEAGER hairstyle. First things first, we're gonna make sure that your hair has no frizz, that it's smooth, it's got a nice natural shine. So we're gonna add a very small amount of the Forte series argan oil, this hydrating oil. Just make sure you go like that, and you can see the oil in my hands there. Oh, that's bright, there we go. Just apply it to mostly the ends and the sides here. I'm also gonna apply to the back here because my hair has been feeling pretty dry in the back, and this will 100% help. With the argan oil, what you wanna do is you wanna make sure you get most of it, because this hairstyle definitely requires it. It definitely requires it, but especially the ends. Once that's done, what you wanna do is you wanna grab most of your hair, but leaving a lot of the top, the bottom here, still kind of down. So you're not gonna pull all of it, you're gonna leave that down, because that's his style. He has this really careless, kind of like, didn't try, I just woke up, put it in a bun, I don't care if it looks good or not, which is cool. Like it's a type of a really attractive look of like, I don't care. So what you're trying to achieve here is kind of a line here. It doesn't have to be perfect because your bun is going to hide it. Once you have that, then you just hold the bun, you pull the band over it, and what I like to do is usually just 2 loops like that, and 1/2 loop. Just kind of leave it messy. You don't have to pull it too much. And then what I like to do is kind of push my hair forward a little bit, just so that it's not too tight. Now, as you can see, we just got the bun, we got a little bit of hair left over here. That's not all, right? He has a lot of cool little pieces here, so we'll do the same. We'll bring some pieces of hair in the front. We'll bring some pieces of hair here in the side, out, right? Over here as well on the side. I like to kind of tuck it behind my ear here. It looks really cool that way. Looks really careless, chill, very EREN YEAGER vibes. I'm gonna pull some more out over here. There you go. Now you guys can see that my hair is obviously longer than his. I think his kind of ends right here, but mine doesn't. I'm pretty happy with this look. Man, I have to say, I think I pulled it off. It looks exactly like the anime. And if you want to add some styling product, I would use the hairstyling cream for Forte series, but it's not out yet. It's coming out next month. What you can do is add a little bit of the texture spray, just to kind of keep it in place, to add a little bit of texture to make it look even messier. I really like that look. It's my preferred look. So that's what I would do, as I just did right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. And also, before I cut my hair, what other hairstyles would you like me to do here on the channel to show you? I'm also posting every single day on TikTok and on Instagram. It's at Alex Costa. You can check me out there. And of course, guys, subscribe if you're new to this channel. If you're a fan of Attack on Titan and you just found my video randomly, hit that subscribe button below, because we talk about men's fashion, we talk about men's hair, men's grooming, men's fitness, dating advice, all of that here on this channel. So if that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button below and join the YouTube family of over 3 million guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. I'm gonna go enjoy this new hairstyle, man. I'm kind of vibing with this. It's looking pretty good. See ya.